How to convert multiple images to one PDF file. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can convert multiple images to one PDF file. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up your images in your device. So for example, I have some of my images right here. So first of all, you have to select the images. So once you have selected your preferred images, you have to right click on any one of the image, and from there click on show more options. Now again click on print option. After that, once you see this pop-up box in your interface, first of all head towards the printer. Click on this drop down and make sure you have selected Microsoft Print to PDF. After that, you can select the paper size and the quality. So under paper size, let's select the A4. For that, click on more, and now here select A4. Now once you have done with that, click on print option. Now you have to select the location where you want to save your PDF file. For example, I want to save it in a desktop, and under the file name, write the file name. Once done, click on save and wait for a while. Now the images has been converted into one PDF file. You can close this, and there you can see these are the images that I have converted recently into a PDF. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.